Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A02. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy the Samsung Galaxy A02 and you are wondering how to change date and time. It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you're going to see your phone going to be looks like this. You just scroll all the way down and you click here general management. After click on general management, you click here date and time. After click on date and time, we're going to see here in this screen, it's not going to giving us option to set manually date and time. Actually, this is a setting automatically date and time. So you need to turn this on. After that, it's going to give you to set manual date and time. For example, I would like to set date. For example, I would like to set it 31 March and I would like to set the time to 1 a.m. and you can see now my phone date and time has changed. So this is how you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A02. But I will definitely suggest you to make it automatic date and time. What that's going to give you benefit, like if you're in London and you went to Dubai, automatically your phone going to be, whenever connect with the Wi-Fi or local network, your phone going to be appear that local area time. So for that benefit, you need to turn on automatic date and time. So you're going to go here date and time, and I'm going to make it turn on automatic date and time. So this is how you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A02. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.